Parrots. Why are they cool? Why do I think they're cool? And 3 facts about them. Let's get this over with. Well, most parrots, they like the warm weather. Parrots, you would think that they all like the warm weather. Why? Is there really 2 parrots that actually like the cold weather? Yes, there are 2 parrots that do. Parrots. Second, guess they are. First, the monk parakeet and the Australian parakeet. Australian king parrot. I lost the name there, but these 2 love cold weather. Well, they adapted to cold weather. And that's pretty cool in my opinion. That's definitely one fact. I never knew that parrots that like cold weather. I've never seen that. Well, some in the second category, some of them don't really start out with beautiful feathers. A young parrot, yeah, they don't really have the coolest feathers, but when they grow up, all sorts of colors, different colors, rainbow. Yeah, they have all sorts of colors. Just insane. Yeah, they don't just become colorful from the start of their life. They just... Newborn ones, I'm not going to show you. No. Third fact is, how do they learn to talk? It's kind of amazing, though. First, but parrots, they need to have something special about them. They have to evolve into this. So how do they do it? First, they evolve so their brain can mimic sounds and reproduce sounds, and they remember the things that they heard, they hear it, they remember it, and then they reproduce it. And there. But since humans use our tongues to communicate, this animal, well, it has a tongue. So it uses English, it learns from us. And then says the things. They remember it, and the 3 cycle. And then that's how parrots talk. Which is, I never thought it would be that complex, but I love that. So, but another thing about them is, if you have a pet parrot, don't try saying the most gruesome and not so good words, or else they can repeat that to other parrots. Then you got your whole parrot family saying the bad thing. So don't say that if you're around a parrot. But yeah, that's really cool about them. They can just do that, which is insane. But yeah. That's my thing about parrots. Thank you. Goodbye.